This thing is really amazing. I mean, for 15,000 yen, $2,800, it's so light, it's ridiculously light. The amazing, amazing suitcase. What's up everyone, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere coming at you live from beautiful sunny Shanghai, China. Today I'm extremely excited because I'm doing a 24-hour immersive experience with Groupe Renault on their design discovery tour. This tour was created to learn about the work that goes into being a leading car designer and how the beautiful city of Shanghai serves as a source of inspiration. The tour will be hosted by two people from Groupe Renault, Anthony Lowe, Vice President of Exterior Design, and Yafai Zhao, Director of the new Renault Design Center. Alright, so are you ready? Let's go into the Puli Hotel and meet with the Groupe Renault team. Let's do it.
Hi everyone, my name is Anthony Lowe. I'm the Vice President of Design for Renault. And today we are here at the start of the day, of a very exciting day, with a short presentation of Renault design, what we do in the world and what we do also specifically for China. And we are also announcing the start or the opening of a new design center in Shanghai.
So for the past hour, basically, we learned what goes into designing and what the designers, think about and how they get inspired. And this is the reason why I chose Shanghai, because Shanghai is moving so fast, and the architecture, the skyscrapers, it's a really amazing place for designers to get inspired to design cars. So they showed us basically a lot of slides and what it takes to design a car, why they chose Shanghai, and what type of cars these people need. So China's a little different from the rest of the world, so they design cars specifically for China. It takes about 2 years to design a car. They have like 20 proposals, then eventually 5, 3, 2, 1, they choose one and they go with that. And now we're gonna go down to the Puli Hotel lobby and see why they chose this hotel to get inspired. We're starting our tour of the hotel here at the entry, right? And here they have a lot of bamboo. I mean, bamboo makes up a lot of this driveway. You can see lots of bamboo. And the reason for that is because that's a really big thing here in China. China's all about bamboo. And then over here, these bricks, these are Shanghai bricks. Very unique. I've actually never seen this before, really cool. Before there was cars, there was horses, and here in China, they would leave their horses here and tie them up and keep going. I've never seen this before, it's really cool. And I understand why this hotel was chosen to inspire, because the design is incredible. Let's continue exploring the hotel. So we walked around the hotel, we explored the terrace, we saw the water, how it reflects off the building. Then we went upstairs and saw the spa. Beautiful spa. They also have an incredible swimming pool. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to a museum, the Museum of Contemporary Art. We're gonna jump on the bus right now. Let's go. Here we go.
Now we are driving into People's Park. People's Park of Shanghai is a place, with very strong history. The Museum of Contemporary Art, which we are visiting. And it's in the middle of the park.
And here we are, People's Square. This is where I was staying for a few days. I love this area, and the day is just gorgeous. You can see lots of skyscrapers here. Right here is Tomorrow Square, incredible tower. On the top it has like a little circle, and this is the Contemporary Art Museum. Let's go inside. For our museum, we have to walk through this beautiful park. It really feels like this is the lungs of the city. This is a huge square. People's Square is ginormous. I mean, this is a great spot to stay if you're ever in Shanghai, just because lots of good oxygen. Oh, I can't wait to see the museum. Let's go inside. This museum is beautiful. I'm really liking this though, this cat. It's super unique. It's like a cat, but there's also graffiti. Get up, chat. Who is this guy? I've never seen this before. M-Chat. A lot of different things here. Wow, they're just basically the cat, giant cat all over the place. And we have him here. This one's sick. My favorite one of the M-Chat is actually this one. I think it's inspired by Harley Quinn and the Joker. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, this one's really cool too. I mean, it's super graffiti. This one's like the lion, the flying lion with the cat on top. And this is the one. This one is this is Harley Quinn and the Joker. I mean, especially the colors. It's the Harley Quinn original, costume from the comic books, and then the Joker.
Hi, so my name is Will. I'm in charge of business development here at the Museum of Contemporary Art Shanghai, also known as MoCA. We specialize in contemporary art, so we bring in a lot of contemporary artists such as Ai Weiwei, but we also do a lot of big brand collaborations. So we did Ferragamo, we're doing the upcoming annual Dior show, and we have a lot of special events, so we invite artists over and we collaborate with big brands. So if you're interested, you can take a look at our online presence. We have a lot of gala openings and cocktail parties. One of our biggest draw right now is Obey, so Chef Rafari, as a lot of the younger generation know. He has his own brand which is called Obey. It sort of looks like Supreme, but instead of the Supreme it says Obey. He came to prominence during the 2008 presidential election for US President Barack Obama. So he painted the Hope campaign poster. It was actually a print. And right now his art is being displayed on the French Prime Minister's office, Macron.
We just wrapped up our time here at the Contemporary Art Museum. I loved it. Such a cool place, and it's really interesting how it's like art but also graffiti. I really like the M-Chat though. His cats are really cool. And now we're going to Lost in Heaven. It's a Yunnan style restaurant, so Yunnan cuisine. Yeah, we're gonna go over there right now. It looks like amazing food. You know how much I love Chinese food. Let's keep going. Here we go, Lost in Heaven, Yunnan food. Never tried Yunnan food. Oh, it's cool. It shows you Yunnan, the province. All right, let's go upstairs. Everybody's up there.
So we're in Lost Heaven, and it's a really nice restaurant featuring cuisine from Yunnan province. And Yunnan province is in the south of China, and the road used to be from Yunnan to the Silk Road to the Middle East. So the cuisine here are featuring the food that the people used to eat on the kind of the Silk Road in the south.
I like the salad. The salad looks like papaya salad in Thailand with chilies and everything. So we have spring rolls, and then we also have like some delicious fried samosas. So we're starting off with a super greasy samosa right here. Oh my gosh, it's like India. Nice vegetables. And then there's some beef in here as well. I'm gonna put some of this sauce on top. Wow, like yellow and orange. It's a little spicy and a little sweet. Very nice combination. Right here we have an egg roll. Straight up egg roll. And this egg roll has a sauce as well. Super greasy. Love the cabbage in this one. Very small. Very good. Nice sweet sauce. Cucumber, radish. We have carrots here as well. I think it's some of those chilies. Lots of different nuts. Chilies. Let's see. Papaya salad. The same thing. Very crunchy, refreshing. It's not too hot, just right. And this is Tsingtao beer. This is the most consumed beer in the world. It's basically like the Bud Light or Budweiser of America. Very light, refreshing. And it has like a Chinese taste to it. You know, the water here is different. And here we have like a beef with like a nice glazy sauce. A little bit of chili there too. It's hot. Yunnan is a province north of Myanmar, so the food's a little different. It's more Southeast Asian style.
In China, every time you walk away, you come back, your plate will be full.
And here we have like a stir-fry vegetables, some cabbage. It's like very cold and moist. Very crunchy. Pretty damn good. So this is like fried eggplant? Is it fried? Yeah, it's like a super fried eggplant. My god, it's super soft. I can't even get it. Oh my god. That was almost like dessert, man. Super soft. I mean, basically like evaporated in my mouth. Almost like creme brulee. Right? Creme brulee? And here we have some nice pork. Okay, so this is pork neck. Oh whoa, that's so good. A little layer of fat. Actually, it tastes like almost like Chinese ribs. The sauce. This one I'm gonna put some sauce, like some chili sauce, right there, like that. Right, chili sauce, nice and yummy. This food is amazing. Everything's so good, but for me, the eggplant is a star. What an epic meal, guys. So much food. That was so delicious. Everything was so unique and different, and it really felt like Southeast Asian food. Obviously, because they're closer to Myanmar, so they have those like influences from Southeast Asia. And yes, so amazing. I mean, you guys have to come here to the Lost Heaven restaurant. And now we're headed to another design studio. Follow us. Our next stop is the Yang Design Museum. This museum has a collection of old cars, and it's located in this really old building. It's like 100 years old. As you can see, it's like a huge factory, or I don't know, probably had like a cotton mill or something here. Really cool. Let's go inside and learn more about it.
So Yang Design is a consultancy agency specialized in design and in helping brands adapt their products to local Chinese customer expectations. So they help Renault adapt their vehicles to the Chinese market. And because Chinese have different tastes than European, for example, customers, and this design agency also has their own museum, their own design museum, and so that's what we are visiting right now, their design museum, and then we will talk more in depth about how do we adapt our vehicles to the Chinese market.
This thing is really amazing. I mean, for 15,000 yen, $2,800, it's so light, it's ridiculously light, designed by them for Audi, as you saw, fingerprint, and yeah, what an amazing suitcase. In this part of the museum, we have, look at these suitcases, like really old school suitcases. They must be like 50 to 100 years old, all of them, like big trunks. So trunks, there's suitcases, there's tiny briefcases. Well, I like these a lot, especially these, the colorful ones, really nice. If you're into design, you will love the Yang Design Museum. It's really incredible. As soon as you walk in, there's like a showroom with some vintage cars, motorcycles. Then you go down, you see what they designed. My favorite thing was for sure the smart carbon fiber luggage. It's probably the best luggage in the world for sure. And then we went deeper into the museum and saw some collectibles that the owner bought. And then we had a huge explanation about everything that they've designed. You know, they don't just design cars, they design different products, cars, furniture. I mean, a huge mix of stuff. And now let's go to the next spot. Here in Banba, we're gonna learn all about connectivity. So Banba basically means zebra, and this company created AI technology that will connect you to your car. So it's really cool. I mean, the guy was explaining to us exactly what it is. We're gonna go right now to a car and experience it for ourselves. I'm super excited because this is pretty awesome. I mean, it just connects you like AI, so you don't even need your phone because it has the phone like within the car, like a SIM card, and everything gets connected.
The second one, it's the first one has been published on the Marvel Next. It's a car by Rovi. He will show you guys to take a look and to experience
The functions.
Yeah.
Perfect. But because the technology is super advanced, it's like top secret. They're not gonna let us film it, but I get a chance to see it for myself. The features in that car are insane. Unfortunately, I can't tell you anything about that, but I can show you the features in this car, which is something that's already, out to the public.
Banba is a platform, have two platforms. One is the online service platform, and second is the smart device platform. So sorry, this car did not have any the smart device. So just for the show you internet car, the online service.
I'm Yafei Zhao, Chief Designer of Renault Design Shanghai Center. Here we will have a design new studio dedicated to this region. We will have a young and talented design team from this region, aiming to involve to the global competition for not only product but also concept. And we will build a team from here. Please join us. Shanghai is a very open and dynamic city, so people came from very different company and region. So here we will keep our eyes on the trending happening just in front of our eyes.
All right, so we made it here to the Edition Hotel. We're going to the punch room to get some drinks. What's up, man? Good? Hey, how you doing? Nice to meet you. Good, pleasure, nice to meet you. What an epic view. This bar is ridiculous, super chic. nice, cozy, intimate, and the view of Pudong with Shanghai Tower, Oriental Tower, Shanghai Financial Center is just incredible. This is the best way to end our tour today of the Design Discovery Tour here with Groupe Renault. I mean, this is such an incredible city to be inspired to design, and I really understand why they chose this city to be their base for their design studio. I mean, it's so incredible going from the Puli Hotel, Contemporary Art Museum, to the Lang Design Museum, and then finally finishing it off, learning about the AI experience that's going to be in their cars. I really got to give a big thanks to Groupe Renault for the experience. This is an awesome day, and I love Shanghai. I'm really inspired by this city. It's really evolving so fast, and that is why you should come here, because it will change the way you see the world. Well guys, I hope you love this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next travel adventure in China. Peace.